Diretso na.
Oo, go.
Okay. Diretso na yun, ha?
Unmute muna kayo lahat.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Good day, everyone.
Good day, everyone.
Nakamute pala yung mic ko.
Ang bobo. Laksan nyo pa nga, hindi ko marinig yung boses nyo dito. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3, go. Good day, everyone. Go na, Ella.
I am Ella Coronel.
I am Romulo Habito.
I am Yuri Ann Salambides.
I am Debbie May Suarez.
And I am John Paul Galera. We are 4th year BS Tourism Management from CSTC Sariaya, and we are very much honored to present to you today our proposed research entitled Gen Z's
Wait lang.
Position Towards Ecotourism.
Entitled.
Pagtawalo.
Title ulit. Sabay-sabay tayo sa title. 1, 2, 3, go. Gen Z's predisposition. Uy, kitang-kita yung brief mo, Paul. Na-stuck na si Debbie. Game. Title ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Gen Z's predisposition towards ecotourism among natural Huwag ka kayong tumawa, okay lang yan. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Gen Z's predispositions towards natural parks among...
natural parks in San Pablo City.
Mali. Ulit. Last na. Towards ecotourism. Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Gen Z's predispositions toward ecotourism among natural parks in San Pablo City. Sira ulo ni Roy. Huwag ka tumawa. Ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Gen Z's predispositions towards natural parks. Tangina ka, Roy. Change. Hoy, napupuno na yung laptop ko. Si Paul yung pambaba. Laksan nyo nga daw ulit dun sa good day everyone. Good day everyone muna ulit.
Sige.
1, 2, 3, go. Good day everyone. Go, Ella.
I am Coronel.
Ulit, wait. Wait lang. Putol-putol si Ella. Game. Ulit. Ella.
I am Ella Coronel.
I am Romulo Habito.
I am Yuri Ann Salambides. Nakastuck si Debbie.
I am Debbie May.
Ulit, Debbie.
And I am John Paul Galera.
Wait lang.
We are 4th year BS.
Mamaya, wait. Nakastuck si Debbie.
Ha?
Nakastuck ka kanina. Ikaw muna, Ella.
I am Ella Coronel.
I am Romulo Habito.
I am Yuri Ann Salambides.
I am Debbie May Suarez.
And I am John Paul Galera. And we are 4th year BS Tourism Management from CSTC Sariaya. We are very much honored to present to you today our proposed research entitled
Gen Z's predispositions towards ecotourism among natural parks.
Natural Park in Pablo City.
Sira ulo ni Paul.
Ulit.
Game. 1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predisposition.
Title na agad.
Title.
Okay na yung ano.
Oo, okay na yun. Maganda na.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predispositions towards ecotourism among natural parks in San Pablo City.
Okay.
Pwede na ba? Ulitan.
Hindi ako naka-imik.
Okay, ulit. 1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predisposition towards ecotourism among natural parks in San Pablo City. Putol-putol ka talaga, Debbie.
Ano?
Last na.
Game.
1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predisposition towards ecotourism among natural parks. Ulit. Huwag na kayo tumawa, ha. 1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predisposition towards ecotourism among natural parks in San Pablo City. Yun, may dumaan. Ang ingay. May dumaan, Ella. Last na ba? Isa pa ba?
Ano?
Game. Isa. Last na.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, go. Genesis predisposition towards ecotourism among natural parks in San Pablo City. Outro na. Paul.
Game, bilang ka.
Ikaw,
Game, ako na. Naka-ano na ba? Naka-record na?
Oo.
Tiga.
Game.
Imikin lang natin thank you for listening.
Ay, sige, mag-ano, kala ko yung again, I am Chuchu.
Ay, oo nga pala. Oo, go.
Ay, di ba ako muna? Sino susunod sa akin?
Si Ella ulit.
Sige. Game. 3, 2, 1. That would be all. Again, I am John Paul Galera.
I am Ella Cornell.
I am Romulo Habito.
I am Yuri Ann Salombides.
I am Debbie May Suarez.
1, 2, 3, go. Thank you for
Thank you
listening.
for listening.
Last. Thank you for listening. 1, 2, 3, go. Thank you for listening. Okay na. Okay na yun.
Panood na na isa-isa.
Wait.